In this video, I'm going to show you how to search pictures on Facebook. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any device. I'm using Android, but it's the same process if you are using a computer or iPhone. The first thing you need to do is log on Facebook and log in the account that you want to search pictures. Then, if you want to search a picture or a person profile, you need to click on the profile of the person. Okay, swipe down until we find right here photos. Okay, you will see photos, avatars, and music. Click on photos, and here you can see all pictures that this person have in public on Facebook. Okay, here you can also see uploads and albums. Now, if you want to search pictures on any profile or any post, you will need to come again to this page, click on the search button, and here you type what you need to search. Okay, in my case, I will put James Webb just for example, but you can search anything that you want. Okay, any picture. Click on this button, and you will see this page. Okay, click on post on the second option, and here you will see several pictures on this topic. Okay, here you can see and swipe down until you find the picture that you want. I hope I helped you how to search pictures on Facebook. So, if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.